So this video how to replace the valve if your ice maker is leaking. Usually or water does not stop. Now it shuts off. There's a shut off button over here to disable the ice maker. So you basically, there's a two, have to remove the filter. This will stop the water, prevent water to leak, so you don't have to pull the refrigerator. Then remove these two screws. They are as such. Then swap this unit. This is existing one, and this is a new one. Pop it back. Put these two wire lines in each one, and the supply water line right here, and that should work. When it's installed, and make sure it's all plugged in. This is supply line, this is ice on the right side and the water on the left side. Then you slide this back in. Put it back and put a couple screws in. Just to plug the filter back. And that should do. We go ahead, turn on the water and test it. Okay, and that's where you turn this switch on right here. Just so. But you said it was running before, right?
Yeah, that sounds pretty quick.
That's good, thank you.